everyone, welcome to Mary's Place. Hi everyone, it's Mary. I'm just going to be making this really simple, easy goulash. This is something my father used to make. I didn't have tomato paste and brown sugar to put in this, so I left that out. So I'm just going to tell you the way I made it. I made it with ground turkey and adobo. As you can see, I'm adding adobo on this. This is a pound of ground turkey. And I'm going to add a little pan spray because it's kind of dry. So I just kind of want to help put a little moisture in it. This is a healthy spray. It's called the Healthy Chef. And I'm going to add pepper. It doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients because I'm going to be adding a chicken broth packet, and I'm going to be adding flavored tomatoes, which already has spices in it. So here I'm adding a half cup of onion, and then I'm going to add a cup. And it has bell peppers, parsley, and celery in it also. This is called the blend mix. I get that at the grocery store in the freezer section. And it's actually cheaper in the long run to buy it than to buy the whole peppers and the onions. So, just something to think about, people that are on the budget. Now I'm going to use my brand new masher, meat masher, and break up the meat. And I'm going to add some garlic. And I'm going to add my chicken broth in here because it looks like my meat was done. That is chicken powder. I'm going to be mixing that with 4 cups of water. I think I still need to mash this a little bit more, so I'm going to mash it. I got my masher at the Dollar Tree. Pretty good for $1, huh? It's not a bad one either. Kind of fun. Then I'm going to add my chicken broth here in a second. and all the rest of my ingredients. And my tomatoes. And I have a cup of vegetables that I added to it, which I normally don't, but I really wanted some veggies. And I decided add my macaroni in, just a cup and a half. Mix that all up. Check to see what your liquid level is. I feel like mine was a little under, so I added a half can more tomato. See, normally I would have added a half can of tomato paste and a half can more water and my brown sugar at this time. But I didn't have it, so I just put a half can of tomatoes in it. This is actually less fattening than the other way, but I like the other way a little bit better, to be honest, but this worked. Came out tasting really good. Now you're going to simmer this until your liquid is absorbed into your pasta, which was about 15 minutes on a medium low. And as you will see, it's swelled up really nice. All the juices went into the noodles. And that was dinner. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can make it this way if you want it to be less calories, or you can add the half can of tomato paste and a tablespoon of brown sugar and half can of water. But that's it, guys. That was dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and please share this out on your social media. Thank you.